Hey guys, good morning. I'm Vikrant from LiveFit 247. And today, as a parent, I want to discuss a very important point for our children. So, is staying at home causing your child to gain weight? Now, this is the major concern that we receive from all the parents who are associated with us. So, there are a few things which are causing this, and there are a few things which we will help you to make them fit and healthy. So, let's see what they are. So, basically, staying at home means what? It's basically all the students, because of the pandemic today, everybody is at home, everybody is schooling from home, and there are very less avenues to go out with or without the family, and we are not sending our children out anywhere to be safe. But what is it causing? It's basically causing a disruption of routine. Their entire routine has gone for a toss. Their wake up time, their meal plans, their schooling time, and everything has gone for a toss. So it's very chaotic from them. So if you understand from their perspective, it is very chaotic when it comes to a setting up to a routine. We always say you set up your day, you plan your day, but because of all of this, they are really not able to do it, and we should help them getting their right routine set up. There is less of physical activities now because everything is online. They are not going to school, they are not taking a bus, they are not walking up the stairs, they are doing nothing. They are just sitting at home at their desk or a bed and switching on the laptop and studying from the home. So this is the major problem where a lack of physical activity is being seen in all our children. So what we have to do is we have to ensure that they do some extracurricular activities, maybe some sports, maybe you engage with them. We'll discuss what should be done also. More screen time. Every time we used to tell our children not to watch movies, too much of screen, not to watch too much of laptop, not to play on the mobile so much. But unfortunately, today we are telling them to do exactly the opposite. जिससे क्या हो रहा है? The screen time is so high that 80% practically of the staying awake time is going in the screen time, which is actually causing a lot of damage, and we will see them in the long run. We won't see it now, but it's definitely going to hamper them in the long run. More snacking. Because they have no physical activities and they're sitting at one place, they feel hungry, and it's not their fault. Their snacking happens automatically because they keep feeling hungry because there is no activity, or their brain is not occupied in actual physical activity. So they keep eating sometimes and they're hungry all the time. So this is major problem which basically have, is increasing their weight, and it's going into obesity. So erratic sleep schedule. Now because there is no physical activity. So when you do physical activity, when we used to move out, when we used to play sports outdoors, we used to feel tired and we used to go to beds on time. But because of the mobiles, because of the screen, because of no activity, these kids are not feeling tired and they don't get their sleep. Because they sleep late, they don't wake up on time for the school, and it's always a problem. So it goes back to again disruption of routine. So this is the major problem that we're seeing in our child. And the worst thing right now is less of social interaction. We all are social animals. We love to interact with our peers, our friends, our family, meet them, play with them, enjoy with them. But right now, this is not happening for our children. So this is also hampering them a lot, and basically when they are not interacting with a lot of people socially, they are mentally low, because of which more snacking happens and the screen time is also there. So all of these points are interrelated, which is causing them to gain a lot of weight. A study has shown that from kindergarten to second standard, at least 10 to 15 children are getting into obese category, and 28%, 23 to 28% are getting into overweight category, which is a big red flag from our perspective right now. So what can we do? As parents, we are their primary role models. They see us, they look at us on a daily basis, and they follow us. So if we are not doing the right things in front of them, they are going to do the same. If I am looking at the mobile and playing a game, I cannot ask my daughter to read a book or do something else. She is going to do the same because she is going to copy me. So what do we need to do? We need to set an example by changing ourselves. If we don't change, they are not going to get into a healthy active lifestyle. We need to start eating healthy. Since we are also at home, we are also not stepping out so much, we need to show them how healthy eating is important. We need to cook healthy meals and make sure that we eat together so that they also follow us and eat healthy. So eating healthy means not no junk foods, not all that. Avoid it. Getting as minimalistic as possible and add more nutrition to your meals. Right? Exercising regularly, because there is less physical activity these days. Exercising has become the most important part. You have to exercise for at least 40 minutes to an hour on a daily basis, and if you do this in front of children, they are also going to follow this. So exercise regularly, regulating your screen time. We know that we are also working on screens for most of the day. So avoiding screen time when we are free, avoiding playing games on mobile or watching binge series on Netflix or some others channels is very important. And then you can spend that time right with your children. Make sure that you actually spend quality active time. Quality time is fine, but quality active time, playing a game with them which is physical, taking them out for a drive, or taking them at a park where there is less crowd and it's fresh air, so they will also feel that change and they would love it. Sleep right. If you sleep right, they will also sleep right. So you have to plan your schedule first so that they follow the similar schedule for them. If you are watching movies or watching mobile at late nights, they are also following the same thing, looking at you. So avoid doing that, and it's going to help you. As I said, spending quality active time. You have to spend holiday, take them out, play with them, do some activity, dance with them. They love it. Just put on put on any music and just jump, dance, do any kind of physical activity, and they would love it. And these are a few points that you can do to make all of this and avoid them to get overweight or obese. And this is a big issue right now. So if we don't take necessary actions right now, it's going to create a lot of problem tomorrow for all of us as parents. So I hope this was informative, and you will start doing and taking these steps, right? If you need more information on child nutrition specific to your child, you can DM us, get in touch with us, and we will be more than happy to help you out with anything in our power. So thank you for listening to me, and see you and take care. Bye bye.